Greetings, citizen. I am the Dark Knight of Gotham City, but today I'm here to help you navigate the treacherous waters of tax season. Pay close attention, for I shall only say this once. First and foremost, it is essential to keep accurate records of all your financial transactions. Just as I keep meticulous notes on the criminals I pursue, you must keep track of every penny you earn and spend. This means holding on to receipts, bank statements, and any other relevant documents. Remember, the IRS is always watching, and they're not as forgiving as I am when it comes to mistakes. Next, you must determine which tax forms you need to fill out. This can be a daunting task, much like facing down the Joker himself. But fear not, for the IRS website has all the information you need. Just like my utility belt, the IRS website is a tool that can help you conquer any challenge. Once you have the necessary forms, it's time to dive into the murky waters of deductions and credits. This is where things can get a little tricky, much like a ball with Bane. But don't worry, with the right tools and strategies, you can emerge victorious. For example, did you know that you can deduct expenses related to your job search? That's right, those Batcave-sized travel expenses and resume printing costs can add up. And if you're a crime fighter like me, you may be eligible for deductions on your Bat-themed equipment and vehicles. Just be sure to keep those receipts. Speaking of deductions, don't forget about charitable donations. As the Dark Knight, I know all about the importance of giving back to the community, and fortunately, the IRS rewards those who do so with tax breaks. Whether you're donating to the Wayne Foundation or your local animal shelter, be sure to keep track of those donations and claim them on your taxes. Now let's talk about credits. These are like the gadgets in my utility belt. They can give you an edge in battle. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit is available to low to moderate income workers and can provide a significant boost to your refund. And if you're a student, be sure to check out the American Opportunity Tax Credit. It can help offset the costs of tuition, books, and other educational expenses. Of course, just like in my battles with the Penguin, there are always pitfalls to be wary of. For example, be sure to avoid common mistakes like forgetting to sign your tax forms or failing to report all of your income. These mistakes can lead to penalties and interest charges, and nobody wants to face the wrath of the IRS. In conclusion, while doing your taxes may not be as exciting as fighting crime on the streets of Gotham, it's a necessary part of adult life. With the right tools, strategies, and a little bit of humor, you can emerge from tax season victorious. And if all else fails, just remember, I'm always here to help. After all, I'm Batman,